Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TV. Today we're taking a deep look at the 2026 Lexus NX, a compact luxury SUV that continues to raise the bar for design, technology, and performance. Lexus has refined this crossover into something truly special, blending elegance, power, and innovation in a package that feels both familiar and fresh. Whether you're after comfort, efficiency, or something that makes every drive feel a little more special, the 2026 NX might just be the perfect mix of all three. Exterior. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Lexus NX is its front design. Lexus's signature spindle grille remains the centerpiece, but it's now sleeker and more integrated into the body. The mesh pattern has a 3D effect that catches light beautifully, and the sharp LED headlights give the NX a focused, confident look. The daytime running lights, shaped in Lexus's signature L pattern, create a striking visual identity, while subtle chrome touches around the lower grille and side vents add just the right amount of luxury. The hood lines are strong yet smooth, flowing naturally into the fenders and giving the SUV a poised, athletic stance. From the side, the NX continues to impress with its balanced proportions. The silhouette is elegant but dynamic, with clean body lines that stretch from the front fenders to the taillights. The slightly sloping roofline adds a hint of sportiness, while the shoulder line gives it presence and stability. Depending on the trim, the NX rides on 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, each designed to complement the car's personality. From refined silver finishes to bold dark metallic designs, chrome window surrounds, body-colored mirrors, and subtle door sculpting emphasize the NX's premium craftsmanship. It's the kind of crossover that looks good from every angle, and it carries that quiet confidence Lexus is known for. At the rear, the 2026 NX shows off a clean and modern design. The full-width LED taillight bar stretches gracefully across the back, connecting the two signature L-shaped lamps. Instead of the traditional badge, Lexus is spelled out in sleek letters, giving the rear a minimalist, upscale feel. The lower bumper has been refined for a smoother finish, and higher trims feature sporty dual exhaust outlets that hint at performance. Even small touches, like the integrated roof spoiler and sculpted tailgate lines, enhance both aerodynamics and style. It's elegant, futuristic, and unmistakably Lexus. Interior. Step inside, and you'll see just how far Lexus has come in combining luxury and innovation. The cabin feels like a sanctuary, quiet, refined, and beautifully built. Soft-touch materials cover nearly every surface, while precise stitching and real metallic accents give the interior a handcrafted feel. The design follows Lexus's design philosophy, putting every control within natural reach of the driver. The seating is plush and supportive, with options for leather or semi-aniline upholstery, as well as heating, ventilation, and memory functions. Ambient lighting adds warmth, while the clean dashboard layout creates a calming sense of space. Front and center sits a large 14-inch touchscreen that runs the Lexus interface system. It's fast, modern, and easy to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The digital instrument cluster displays crisp graphics, and the available head-up display projects key information directly onto the windshield. The voice assistant responds naturally. Just say "Hey Lexus," and you can adjust climate settings, navigation, or audio without lifting a finger. For those who love their music, the optional Mark Levinson 17-speaker audio system delivers exceptional clarity and depth, transforming every drive into a concert-like experience. In the rear, passengers get generous space and impressive comfort. The seats recline slightly, and there are dedicated air vents, USB-C ports, and soft-touch door panels. The NX makes excellent use of its dimensions, offering plenty of legroom and headroom for adults. The cargo area is wide and easy to access, with a hands-free power tailgate for added convenience. Whether you're running errands or heading out for a weekend trip, the NX balances practicality with luxury effortlessly. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX comes with multiple powertrain options to suit different drivers. The base NX 250 uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, offering smooth, efficient performance for daily driving. Step up to the NX 350, and you get a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine making 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The NX 350 hybrid delivers 239 horsepower and impressive fuel economy, averaging nearly 39 miles per gallon combined. The top-tier NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid offers 304 horsepower and up to 37 miles of electric-only range before seamlessly switching to hybrid power. Each version is tuned for refinement and reliability, with a quiet, confident character on the road. Driving the 2026 NX is a pleasure in itself. The steering is light yet precise, giving the driver confidence without sacrificing comfort. The suspension strikes a perfect balance, firm enough to handle corners with control, yet soft enough to absorb bumps effortlessly. The turbocharged version delivers quick, smooth acceleration, while the hybrids excel in silence and efficiency. Thanks to additional sound insulation and refined aerodynamics, the cabin remains whisper quiet at highway speeds. The NX doesn't chase sportiness for its own sake. Instead, it delivers a driving experience that feels composed, stable, and deeply relaxing. Lexus also continues to lead in safety and driver assistance. Every 2026 NX comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision detection with pedestrian and cyclist warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Newer features like proactive driving assist and lane change support add another layer of confidence. Available options such as a 360-degree camera, automated parking, and traffic jam assist make daily driving smoother and safer. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus NX starts around $41,000 for the NX 250 and rises to about $44,000 for the NX 350. The NX 350 hybrid begins near $46,000, while the top-end NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid sits around $58,000 to $60,000 depending on configuration. Considering the craftsmanship, advanced technology, and performance this SUV delivers, it offers excellent value within the luxury segment. Rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes GLC may offer their own charms, but the NX's blend of refinement and reliability gives it an edge for real-world ownership. The 2026 Lexus NX is more than just a premium crossover, it's a showcase of how thoughtful design and advanced engineering can elevate everyday driving. From its sculpted exterior to its serene interior and versatile powertrains, the NX stands out as a symbol of quiet confidence and refined power. It's a car built not just to impress, but to satisfy mile after mile, year after year. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Trendz TV for more deep dive reviews and car content. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.